This past month has been a whirlwind between several weddings and trying to work on renovations. We have been slowly chipping away at small projects here and there, so let me catch you up. The first project we jumped into was spray painting. We wanted to freshen up a couple things as this camper is over 20 years old and definitely has a little bit of wear and tear. The first thing I pulled out was this metal rack that serves as a pull-out pantry, which is pretty cool. It was worn down in several spots and we wanted to protect it from rust, so we decided to paint it. It was a tedious project, sanding and painting all of it, but I think it was definitely worth it, and I am very happy with how it turned out. We also painted the speaker covers, the bathroom mirror, and the window frames. All but one of the windows had half white and half black trim, so we decided to make them all match by painting them black. This kind of felt like an unnecessary project to take on, but I think sometimes the little details are what helps a space feel so much more like home. Our pantry cabinet was the first thing we fully completed. I figured it would be a little tricky to put back in, but I underestimated how hard it would be to secure it in such a small space. It ended up turning out very, very nice though. Once we got it back in, it looked so nice in there. I honestly love the process of working on projects like this. It is so fun to see your vision start to come to life as time passes.
Very nice. Voila. And the door shuts.
Finishing up these two cabinets and each little bit of progress we make is like a little glimpse at our future home.
If I could only fly, I would fly so high, I would kiss the sky, it'd be so, so right, so right, so right. If I could only fly, I would fly so high, I would kiss the sky, it'd be so, so right. So right, so right.
It has been quite a bit since we've made much progress out here. We've spent the last few weekends celebrating with family and friends at some pretty important weddings to us. But it's starting to get a bit colder and we only really have a limited amount of time before the snow comes. So today we have some big plans. We are hoping to get a lot of painting done in here. We need to start figuring out the random miscellaneous items that will be important to completing renovations. So like light switches, some light replacements. We're replacing the ones in here for sure. And hopefully we can get the litter box cabinet figured out because we plan on taking both of our cats with us when it comes time to leave.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me. It's the furthest sun, the gun done for love. It's a pulse and shove. It's the sharpest cry. The here goes, but why? Where the desperate lie. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me. You're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. Even in the autumn breeze, where the trees are shaking off their leaves. You're never lost among the crowd with me.
Look at all the flies. All the flies. Oh.
Looks nice.
No, it looks a lot better than the white. Look at.
Jeez. There's flies everywhere right now.
Too many flies.
They're all over. But I think we're going to call it quits for tonight. We got quite a bit done for just a couple hours we were out here. Alex spray painted. Gosh. Oh my gosh. We're getting attacked by flies. Alex spray painted the hood for the oven, which also holds all of our like system checks.
Well, you can take this tape off too.
You can kind of see it. But he also got the windows touched up. We made a mistake doing those about a week ago. We had spray painted all of the frames because they were half black, half white. We just wanted them to be all one color, so we chose black. And they look very nice now, but we had taped them too quickly after spray painting them, so we had to re-spray paint them. You can kind of see. They look much better now. So we did these two. That needed to be touched up. The other ones we waited long enough, so they were fine the first time. But yeah, I think we're just gonna call it quits. It's kind of dark out. It's pretty dark out, so it's getting hard to work now. But yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Before anybody asks, I know I painted the wall. But we're gonna put some stick-on tile. So it's gonna get all covered up.
Yeah. Nice.